Welcome to video lecture. A course material on CA 8701 Estimation, Costing and Valuation Engineering, presented by Rajiv Gandhi, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. This is Unit 1, Quantity Estimation. Let me discuss about estimate. An estimate is the anticipated or probable cost of work and is usually prepared before the construction is taken up. Before undertaking any work or project, it is necessary to know its probable cost, which is obtained or derived by estimating. The estimate is prepared by computing or calculating the quantities required and then calculating the cost at suitable rates to get the expenditure like to be incurred in the construction of the work or structure. That is called estimation. The next one, purpose of estimation. Estimating is the technique of calculating or computing the various quantities and the expected expenditure to be incurred in a particular work or project. In case the funds available are less than the estimated cost, the work is done in part or by reducing it or specification or altered. The following requirements are necessary for preparing an estimate. That following drawings like plans, elevation and sections of important points. Then detailed specification about workmanship and properties of materials, etc. Then standard schedule of rate of the current year. That is the purpose of estimation. Next we discuss about the topic was methods of estimation. Methods of estimation. The quantities like earthwork, foundation concrete, brickwork in plinth and superstructure, etc. can be worked out by any of following two methods. The first one is long wall, short wall methods. Second one is center line method. Third one is partially center line and short wall methods. The mainly used in long wall and short wall method. Next, long wall and short wall method. In this method, the wall along the length of room is considered to be a long wall, while the wall perpendicular to long wall is said to be a short wall. To get the length of long wall or short wall, calculate first the center line lengths of the individual walls. Then the length of long wall may be calculated after adding half berth at each end to its center line length. Thus, the length of short wall measured into in add may be found by deducting half berth from its center line length at each end. The length of long wall usually decreases from earthwork to brickwork in superstructure, while the short wall increases. These lengths are multiplied by berth and the depth to get quantities. That is called long wall and short wall method. The next method was center line method. This method is suitable for walls of similar cross section. Here the total center line length is multiplied by berth and depth of respective item to get the total quantity at a time. When cross walls are partitions or veranda walls joined with the main wall, the center line length gets reduced by half of berth for each junction. Such junction or joints are studied carefully while calculating total center line length. The estimates prepared by this method are most accurate and quick. That is called center line method. Next we discuss about partially center line and partially cross wall method. This method is adopted when external wall is of one thickness and the internal wall having different thickness. In such case, center line method is applied to external walls and long wall short wall method issued to internal walls. This method should for different thickness walls and different level of foundations. Because of this reason, all engineering departments are practicing this method. Thank you for watching.